Hey everyone! It's been a while since I did a live, so. Hey, I'm alive! See you in Sydney. Yes, see you in Sydney in November. I miss you all. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-live because Vegas is so busy. I met you in Seattle. Hi. Oh, during the Mayhem Ball? Queer Bar? Yes, probably Queer Bar. Where are you right now? I'm in Vegas. I'm in my apartment. I just tapos ko lang maglinis ng dishes. Ayan, di ba? I'm in my apartment right now here in Vegas. I just woke up like an hour ago. And then I went to the gym to run. And then ngayon, I'm gonna have my coffee and bread. Ube pandesal. My tita baked that last time when they went here. Tour ka naman sa Philippines. Yes, soon. I can't wait to visit the Philippines again. Oh wait lang, ang lakas ata ng audio. Oh my God, guys, ang dami nangyari sa life ko the past month. I saw Olivia Dean. And nag-promise ako sa inyo na magpa-vlog ako, di ba? Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi sobrang busy. As in talagang ayoko ng pangalan na to. Additional work kasi it's my first time seeing Olivia. It's my first time seeing Beyonce. It's my first time seeing Lady Gaga. And I don't wanna, ayoko mag-work. So next time na lang. What? 3 a.m. na pa sa Philippines, sorry. Ang dami niyo pang gising. But I'll be back soon. I can't wait to go back. After Vegas, I only have like 2 weeks left here in Vegas. I mean, less than 2 weeks na lang here in Vegas. Exactly a week from today will be the last show in Vegas. So technically, I only have 1 week na lang here in Vegas. But it's like ano ba? 2 weeks worth of shows pa. Sunday ba dyan? Okay. So, kaya kayo nagpupuyat lahat. And then, meron na mga naka-line up ng mga shows pag uwi ko. Especially, it's Drag Race season, diba? And, kailangan ko lang mag-New York before coming home. Kasi kailangan ko alam mo yun, magliwaliw kasi grabe, puro trabaho ako dito. Sabado. Yes, it's a Saturday here. It's 12 p.m. 12 noon. And then magluluto ako ng, oh my God, guys. Nakahanap ako ng ampalaya. So magluluto ako ng ginisang ampalaya. As in, puro Filipino food yung niluluto ko dito kasi, pangalan na to, namimiss ko na ang Philippines. So, nung isang araw, nagluto ako ng pakbet, Tagalog. And then the other day, nagluto ako ng adobong sitaw. Tapos ngayon, magluto ako ng ginisang ampalaya. O diba, puro gulay. Oo, puro lang ako nagluluto dito kasi ang laki ng serving sa US, 'di ba? Tas ang mahal-mahal. So, bilang kuripot ako, 'di ba? Tuloy ka po ba here sa Orlando, Florida? I don't think so. If that's Work the World, no, I won't be joining Work the World this year, unfortunately. So, yeah, I feel so bad and like sasayangan ako kasi Basta maraming nangyari na hindi ko na i-disclose. Ayun, sayang. But I will be back very soon. We are setting up a US tour, probably early next year, or sometime at the end of this year. But I'll be here in Vegas up until next week. So if you have time to fly, I'll see you there. I will also be doing a couple of shows in New York. Ayun. Solo US tour. Yes, I will be having a solo US tour very soon. We're working on that. And other continents as well. So, yeah, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang work. Magpapahinga lang ako ng saglit sa Philippines. Docsai, I miss you. Kailangan ko na ng laser. Tumutubo na ulit sila. Canada. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon ang Canada. Kamusta naman dyan sa Pilipinas? Anong mga kaganapan dyan? Raymar, I miss you. Miss ko na ang UK. Pero ayoko muna mag-tour sa UK kasi ang lamig-lamig doon. Tsaka, hakto lang. Hakto lang sa UK. When ka mag-New York? September 3rd to September 8th. And I have a show on the 3rd, on the 6th, and probably on the 4th as well. So, 3, 4, 6, meron akong shows. So, I'll see you there. Puro issue ng ghost projects. Ano yung ghost projects? What are ghost projects in the Philippines? Miss ka na namin sa Slation viewing parties. Pag-uwi ko, meron agad tayong viewing party. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sana masali Cebu. Naku, sabihin nyo sa mga promoters dyan. Thoughts about episode 2. Dear, walang binatbat yung mga bading sa mga Pinoy. Dun sa girl group. Pero in fairness naman, na-entertain pa rin ako for what it's worth. Naman. In fairness naman sa Team International. Yeah. Ace. Miss you, Ace. And Carlo. And Chris. And Bounce. Sino mga nandito? Tagal ko na kasi umuwi. Tapos pag umuwi ka, isang pikit lang nasa ibang bansa ka naman. Sorry na. Baguio show. Abangan. Abangan ng Baguio show. Meron. Pero abangan nyo kung kailan. Iba din ang naisip ni Kian at pinagsama-sama ang Pinays. Ako din, if ako yung nabigyan na... Alam mo, sobrang laki ng advantage na binigay kay Kiana ha. Kasi usually, alternate, diba? And you get the first pick. Kunyari, okay, Kiana, you won the minute challenge. Okay, tas second, yung siguro yung second place siya yung second leader. Usually alternate yun. Pero for this episode, binigay sa kanya yung discretion to build the entire band. So, grabing laki na advantage yon. And if binigyan ka ng ganong kalaking advantage, syempre hindi ka na magpapaka, di ba? Magpapaka eme-eme. Yung kukunin mo talaga yung mga power performers. So ako din naman talaga. If ako yung nasa situation ni Kiana, Filipino girls din yung kukunin ko. At saka para magkaroon din ng konting drama, 'di ba? Para masarap panoorin, hindi yung puro congeniality lahat. Hindi yan trademark ng Drag Race Philippines. Hindi yan Drag Race Philippines kung bait-baitan lahat. Tama? So perfect yung ginawa ni Kiana kasi like coming from the previous episode, talagang ang dami nangyari sa episode na to because dun sa narrative din na ginawa yung narrative na Philippines versus international girls. And then ending, nag-away-away yung international girls, di ba? Walang untucked. Ganun naman talaga kapag di ba, mga international season, parang naka-embed na yung untucked parang sa amin sa UK versus the world. I'm not mad about it. Okay lang sa akin na walang untucked. Kasi kapag may untuck, baka 1 million pesos lang yung yung premyo. If hindi ka nakasa UK versus the world, would you accept Slation kung na-offer sa'yo? Depende. Depende. I would probably... Parang hindi. Parang mas gusto kong Philippine All-Stars. Oo. Parang mas Philippines All-Stars yung... If hindi pa ako nag-judge ni RuPaul or something, ganyan. Or pag hindi pa ako nag-international, parang mas riot kung Philippine All-Stars. Puksaan, di ba? Pag puro Pinoy lahat. Pero carry ko din naman mag-slation. See you sa Drag in the South. See you sa Drag in the South! Hopefully, tuloy ang pagpunta mo dito sa Melbourne. Yes, tuloy yung akin. Tuloy ako. I just got the news na Jade So won't be able to join me for the Summer Godessa tour. And instead, we have Minty Fresh for Australia. So I'm really, really excited for that. Aside from this Melbourne and Sydney, I also have another show there. So i-announce namin yan very, very soon. And then right after that, we are going to another country. So, medyo busy pag uwi. Hi, Gino. Thank you. Punta ako sa Vegas tomorrow. Yes, I will be there until Monday. Like this week and next week, I will be there for the entire showing except for September 1st because I end my residency August 31st. And that's about it. How's the Vegas residency? I'm enjoying it so much kasi, you know me, when I'm on tour, lagi kami nagpapak every after show, ganyan. And for this one, sobrang, para akong may home bar. Ganun yung feeling ko kasi nung nagne-nectar ako before. Talagang papasok lang ako, tapos andun na lahat ng gamit ko. Andun na lahat ng costume, ng looks, ng hair, ganyan. So, it's just a matter of transporting yourself to the venue. Hindi ka na mag-impake after. So, medyo ganun yung feeling. And I'm enjoying it so much kasi it's like a professional stage. It's a big production. And yeah, that's where I'm meant to be. So I'm really, really happy. I was pissed that they changed the Never Work the World tour. They're here in Oregon. You're the only reason why I bought tickets. Oh, I'm really sorry about that. It's out of my control as well. But you're gonna have so much fun watching the girls still. I've been seeing the clips online of Work the World, and trust me, it's better than our Europe tour. So you're gonna have so much fun there. Don't worry. Kamusta ang init ng Vegas? Diyos ko, hindi na ako lumalabas dito kasi sobrang init. Oo, hindi ako makarampa, hindi ako makalarga. Kaya nakakarampa lang ako pag nasa LA ako. Ayun. Hi, ma, love your glasses. Thank you. They're, I'm not sure if it's Bottega or Balenciaga. I think it's Bottega. I think it's Bottega. Kasi mayroon din akong isang ganito na Balenciaga. Medyo magkamukha sila. Pero I think this one is the Bottega. Hi from Dubai! Hello mga taga Dubai! After Vegas, there's another world tour in mind. Yes, we're working on another world tour. Pero select continents lang muna kami kasi gusto ko magpahinga. Pinas ka now? No, I'm in Vegas. It's almost 1 p.m. here of Saturday. 1 p.m. Saturday. When are you coming back to San Diego? Nag-San Diego na ba ako? Parang I haven't been to San Diego. That must have been a different queen. I haven't been to San Diego. I've been to San Francisco, but not San Diego. Marina, ba't di ka na pupunta dito sa Orlando? I know! I'm so sad. Pero wala. I can't do anything about it. But I'll be back. For sure. Watch the Backstreet Boys in the Sphere. I want to watch them kaso nga lang, I have shows when they have shows. So, parehas kaming book and bless. So, hindi ko sila mapapanood while I'm here. Just want you to know that you deserve what you have now. Oh, thank you so much. Honestly, I feel so blessed na after like 3 years, or 3 years na ba? I think we're celebrating 3 years since Drag Race Philippines Season 1 aired. And we're still standing. And I'm still here. And I'm still booked and blessed. And I still have your support. Like, yeah, I feel so blessed that I still get to do what I love to do. And, you know, be recognized internationally as well. So I'm really, really, really happy about that. Tiny, I miss you. Pagod na ako mag-makeup. Pag uwi ko, ikaw na mag-makeup ulit sa akin. Kakayanin mo ba mag-send ng Filipino queens if you ever had to choose between sending an international and PH queen? Of course! Kahit sino pa yan, pauuwiin ko. Charot. See you mamaya sa second show. See you! Oh my god, you were there last night. See you. I always love Saturday crowd more than any crowd. Saturday and Sunday crowds are the best for me. Me, magja-judge ka ba sa Slation? Parang ayoko na. Back out na. Nag-back out na ako eh. Natamad kasi ako kung ano, lumipad, charot. Yes, I will be there. Abangan nyo na lang kung anong episode. But it's gonna be... Fairness naman, hindi naman nila ako tinipid sa ano doon, sa... nung nandun ako. Ginive naman talaga nila sa akin lahat ng pwedeng i-give nung nag-guest judge ako. Are those Vivian Westwood glasses? No, I think they're Bottega Veneta. Yeah, I think it's Bottega because I lost my Balenciaga glasses. So I think this is my Bottega. This is Bottega, diba? Yung logo na yan. Which girl from your cast is your favorite from the Drag Race live show? Oh my god, I love them all! As in, like, hindi ako nagpapaka-miss congeniality, but I love all of them. Lawrence is the shady one and lagi kami nag-aasaran as in sa backstage. Kylie is so mother, like she's so nurturing. I love her. Um, Derek is like your auntie, your tita, ganun. Like super bait. And Asia is like one of the most professional person I've ever worked with. Yara, I've worked with Yara as well when she swings. Sobrang baliw. And Yara Sofia knows a lot of like Filipino things. As in, we share the same dressing room. And one time, bigla na lang siyang kumakanta ng Akin Ka Na Lang ni Morissette. Tapos pinaplay niya yung song ni Morissette ha. Yung Wish Bus. Yun yung favorite niya na Filipino song. Tapos even yung Wish 101, something ganon, alam niya kung kailan lalabas. So, si Yara Sofia is Filipino by heart. Kahana is the sweetest. Like, lagi lang kaming nagtatawanan. As in, she gets my vibe, I get her vibe. Like, I love Kahana so much. Bakit kising pa kayo? Anong temp ng aircon mo? Pinatay ko muna, pero naka 69 ako kanina. 69 degrees. Fahrenheit. Hi, Martha! Come to Dubai. Pwede ba ako sa Dubai? Charot. Pinatay ko muna kasi nilalamig ako. Favorite Slasian look so far? Yung kalabaw ni Kiana. I really, really, really love that one. Yung kalabaw look ni Kiana. Honestly, honestly speaking, yung, naalala niyo yung UK versus the World Season 1, ay Season 2, Episode 1, na rice outfit ko. Kung ano yung ginawa ni Kiana, ganun yung, ano namin, yung original concept. Like, kalabaw ako. Tapos, initially, kausap ko si Mama Pao na parang gusto namin gawin yung parang mas malaking version. Parang, naalala niyo yung parang ginawa ni Mama Pao, dinesign niya na national costume na tikbalang. Yung talagang parang naka stilts or something. Yun. Ganun talaga yung initial na idea namin for the farmer runway ko. Pero wala, parang na-realize ko din parang baka wala akong time mag-makeup ng alam mo yun and everything. And gusto ko, and alam kong parang sa first episode siya so parang gusto ko pakita yung aesthetic ni Marina as Marina. So ayun, great minds think alike. So nung nakita ko yung ginawa ni Kiana, I was like, yes, ganyan. Pero mas malaki originally yung naiisip namin like yung ginawa ni Mama Pao na parang, 'di ba? Parang may stilts na ganon. So yun. So, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-favorite ko na looks ni, um, ni Kiana. Or like sa buong season so far. Kasi very conceptual. I love conceptual things. And when it's done well and tastefully done, um, yeah. Cat's Eye Marina, someone please make this happen. Oo, ginagawa ko na, inaayos ko na yung Cat's Eye performance ko soon. So, pag uwi ko ng Philippines, abangan niyo yan. Kasi, kina-conceptualize na namin siya. Pinapa-custom ko na yung music. At alam niyo naman ako, kapag meron akong naisip na performance na bogs, talagang pinapa-custom ko yung music. So, abangan niyo, meron siyang buong concept. Ipapagawa ko na yung damit and everything. Abangan niyo yan. Sino bias mo sa international girlies? I really enjoy watching Yua. I really enjoy her as in every time na nasa screen siya, parang siya yung international counterpart ni Arizona Brandy. As in, ang galing nila mag-storytell. Um, and sobrang watchable nila, sobrang adorable. And I also worked with Yuha a lot when I was in New York City 2 years ago. And grabe, sobrang ano niya, sobrang generous and sobrang thoughtful na parang, hindi pa kami magkakilala noon pero binigyan niya ako ng mga, alam mo yung mga bookings noon, like, binook niya ako sa mga shows, dinala niya ako sa show niya, ganyan, sa YouTube niya rin, so, sobrang, tas wala pang ano noon, wala pang UK versus the world or anything, talagang, very ano lang siya, matulungin. Ganon. And also, I love Suki Doll. Suki Doll, isa rin siya sa mga bias ko so far. As a viewer ha. As a viewer, syempre, baka sabihin nyo, may favoritism ako or what. Kasi mag-judge ako in the future. But as a viewer, I love watching them. Suki, because of like the runways and stuff, like, oh, top tier, as in. What do you think about a Philippines world tour? Like Filipina girls world tour? Yes, I'm here for it. As in, kung madali lang talagang mag-tour, as in, feeling ko nag-world tour na ang mga bading. Kaso like logistic-wise and sa hina ng passport natin, ang hirap mag-world tour. Kahit ako din nahihirapan din ako eh. So talagang ginagapang lang talaga namin. Kasi maraming mga visa, basta ang daming logistic-wise, ang hirap ilipad ng Filipino. So, kahit ako mismo, kasi I'm a Philippine passport holder eh. So, mahirap talaga siya. Pero, I am all for it. As in, inaantay ko lang ang mga bading na mag-world tour with me or kahit hindi ako kasama, ganun. Kasi deserve talaga makita ng buong mundo kung paano mag-perform ang mga Filipinos. Kasi, dear, maning-mani talaga. Maning-mani. What's your favorite Kapampangan food? Sisig. Kay, anong pangalan nito? Si Mama Lucy o Aling Lucy? Nanay Lucing? I forgot. Tanong nyo si Paul. Basta meron kaming kinakainan sa Pampanga ng sisig na sobrang sarap. As in, best sisig in the whole world. Nasa vlog ko yun eh. Nung nagpampanga kami. Andun yun. So, favorite ko yun talaga. Aling Lusings. Ayun, Aling Lusings. Hey, Dosa. How's it going, baby? Hair vitamins and serum. Ngayon, nagdidrink ako ng collagen. And then I put castor oil on my hair. Are you in a relationship right now? Nope. Thoughts on Maxi as the girl group coach? Deserve. Sino pa bang siya lang naman talaga ang premier singer na drag queen sa Pilipinas. So talagang deserve. No one does it like Maxi when it comes to singing. So does drinking collagen work better than gluta? I am not sure because I don't drink gluta. Kasi di ba nakakaputi yung gluta? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Hindi ako scientist. So, love your natural brows. Thank you. Thank you. Kapal na nga ng kilay ko. Kaya it really takes me a lot of time blocking it. Kasi yun, no, talagang makapal talaga siya, dear. Pinabawasan ko na yan, ah. As in, pinatrim ko na siya. Pero makapal pa din. And we love that. For us. What's your collagen? My collagen brand. Ano ba yung collagen? Healthy Options ata. Yeah, Healthy Options. Ito. This is what I use. And feeling ko naman nag-work siya. I drink it 3 times a day. Anyways, magpapaalam na ako soon. Dahil magluluto ako ng pagkain ng lunch para makapag-edit na ako ng mga bagay-bagay. Alright, bye everybody. Thank you so much. See you soon. Goodbye.